Let's have a look at some updates. All units now have a range of capabilities defined. The base unit has two capabilities. It can build other buildings, and it can supply basic materials, building materials and manpower. Firstly, we will need some raw materials, so we begin constructing a mine. Immediately, we can see the base send out a transport which is full of building materials. To produce units, we will also need a range of other materials. So let's build a refinery to turn the ore into refined materials. Let's add in a fabrication plant so we can produce components. We will also start building an armor factory, so we can begin producing units like tanks. We can see the build progress bars for each construction site as they receive materials and complete the work. We can see that once the buildings are complete, they self-initiate a small supply chain. Each building is able to produce a certain material, but to do that, needs a supply of other material. It sends out a request to other buildings to ask for a delivery of that material. An attacker will certainly be able to disrupt that supply chain. Let's select our armor factory and request production of some tanks. When a factory is producing a unit, it follows a bill of materials. For our tank, we need refined materials, some components, and some manpower. We even see the different buildings sending out a delivery of those materials to the armor factory. And when they are received, the bill of materials begins progressing. Once complete, the tank has been constructed and appears out of the armor factory. Our first unit. Obviously, we want buildings to support queues, and with full upgrade paths, we will be able to get buildings to build quicker, hold more material stock, and even have multiple queues. Eventually, we will have complex and detailed supply chains by road, rail, air, and sea, all of which can be managed, upgraded, or disrupted and destroyed by an enemy.